The way I hold the bench strop is to have one hand down like a L shape at the bottom of the strop like that, and that stops it moving in this direction, supports it. I'm going to be stropping like this, and if I accidentally run over my thumb, then of course I'm dragging the tool and not likely to cut it. If I'm holding the strop at this end, I'm in grave danger of actually cutting myself. So do hold the strop at this far end and well below where the tool is going to pass. So holding the tool in the other hand, and this is a chisel, and we'll use this as an example to begin with. I have the pressure just behind the bevel here, not like that. That's far too much of an effort. So one finger, two fingers just here, and I draw the tool back like this, keeping the same low cutting angle at which you sharpened. What you mustn't do is this is lift the handle. If you lift the handle as you go along, then you get a rounded bevel and an increased cutting angle. So keep the handle low and strop so many times on one side, swap over onto the other side. And then when you finish that, you can wipe it with a cloth, because some grease will come off here onto the blade. So wipe it and then back to carving. Now when you've got a flatter tool like this is a flat gouge, what you need to do is slightly rock it as you pass from corner to corner. It's quite subtle, from corner to corner as you go back, again keeping the handle low. As the tool gets deeper, this is a deeper gouge, what you do is you've got to rock it more. So there's much more of a rotation here, like this. And you find yourself going in a slight arc. It's very difficult to avoid that, but keep the handle low. Tools like this, which are semi-circular, you have to make a big movement all the way around like this. And if you can't do that, then do half of it, and then do the other half like this. You can go from left to right, right to left, it doesn't matter. With a U-shaped gouge, you would strop the two flat sides first, one side like this, keeping the handle low, the other side like this, and then you'd strop it as if it's a gouge in the middle. For a V-tool, you treat it as two chisels, one here, and see the way that the tool lifts and settles down here. What you don't want to do is dig it into the strop. You do one side, then you strop the other side, and then you strop the keel in the middle like this as well. An awkward shaped gouges, such as the this spoon bent gouge or short front bent gouge, you need to get your finger right in here and think of the cutting angle and strop it like so. Now people do ask how much you use a strop. Well, the idea is that you never let your tool get dull for a start. So you can never over strop. You can just strop whenever you've got a moment, or you're having a little thought, or whenever you sense the tool getting dull, you would strop it. There's no numerical value. You've got to feel the cutting edge of the tool, how the tool is working, and if you have any doubt about its sharpness, then you strop it. For the slip strop, hold it away from the abrasive edge. Have the tool upside down near your body, and the strop comes inside at quite a low angle like this. It comes up and round and takes another pass, so in quite low like that. Don't go this way, obviously, because you'll cut into the leather, so you must drop like so. And make sure you cover the whole of the surface of the inside bevel, and you'd strop the same number of times that you do on the bench strop for the outside bevel.